Can a tiny drone fly through clouds? Waterproofing treatment first. Let's go. There is a level 3 wind today, so the drone is flying a little bit shaking. The weight is 88 grams, including the batteries. Buddies who often lose their drones will take photos with her before takeoffs. You never know if this is the last time you'll be with her. I did that too. I tried many times to fly through clouds with pouch time batteries, but before I reached the clouds, the battery ran out of power first. So this time I used the cylindrical battery with full tap design instead. Okay, now I reached the top of the mountain, spending about half a minute. Let me speed up. Okay, I'm ready to be submerged into the clouds. I spent about another half minute to get through the clouds with the throttle about 70%, and finally we are in heaven. I'll shut up for a while and enjoy. Due to the space and weight issues, I didn't install GPS. I have no idea where am I. I think I should heading home. But where is home? To maintain better signal, I decided to land upside down.
We're strung together then breaking apart, and my crystal heart is never the same. The ocean of love, it is time to say goodbye.
But it's insane that it still spent half a minute to dive through the clouds. Oh yes, I'm still alive. Oh, that's where I took off. It spent about 1/3 of the battery power, and I believe that I can go one time higher than this time. About 3 kilometers high? I don't know. I'm Tan75P. See you next time.
Hallo, Herr Taxifahrer, bring uns noch nicht heim. Hallo, Herr Taxifahrer, wir wollen nur schwimmen. Bring uns in die nächste Bar, weil's ja jetzt gerade einmal schön an war. Bitte, Herr Taxifahrer, wir haben noch nicht